Do you know the secret to speaking better English? Hi friends, I'm Aditi and welcome to Edumate Aditi. It's simple. Vocabulary. Vocabulary means the collection of words you know. The more words you have, the easier it is to speak. It's like building blocks. The more blocks you have, the bigger castle you can make. So, how can we build a vocabulary? Here are 3 fun ways. First, learn 3 new words every day. Don't try to learn 50 at once. Just 3. For example, happy, sad, excited. Use them in sentences like I am happy today, she is sad, we are excited. Second, read simple books or comics. Every time you find a new word, note it down and check its meaning. Third, play word games. Crossword puzzles, word search, or even simple spelling games with your friends can make your vocabulary learning fun. And remember, learning new words is not enough. You must use them. If you learn the word beautiful, say, this flower is beautiful. If you learn delicious, say, this cake is delicious. Friends, words are like colors. The more you have, the more beautiful picture you can paint with your English. So, let's collect words every day and use them with confidence. That's all for today. I'm Aditi and I'll see you in the next video with more tips. Till then, learn new words, use them daily, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Edumate Aditi. Bye bye.